Well, so a very important topic from English grammar, that is pronoun. As you know that there are 8 parts of speech. To prepare a sentence, we need 8 different types of words. Okay, I mean it is not like that you will need all the 8 parts of speech. Okay, so there are few parts of speech which are very important, like verb, subject. Okay, subject, it comes under noun. Clear. So noun, verb, those are very important. Apart from noun, what are what are the parts of speech are there? Pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Well, so today we will start chapter 4, pronoun. If you have grammar book, then open your grammar book and you have to point that what notes you have to prepare. I will tell you what to write, clear, and how to write. Okay, I'm talking about notes, grammar notes. Recently we have finished letter writing. One formal and one informal we have done, and now we are going to start pronoun. So you should use your grammar copy. Clear? And what to write, how to write, I will definitely share with you. Clear? So let me start with sharing my screen, and this is it. Okay. So chapter 4 from English grammar, that is pronoun. Yes, Kumar, I will definitely. It is in my mind, don't worry. But first of all, I have to start this chapter. So this is going to come in half yearly exam, my dear students. So be very careful. Pronoun is one of the parts of speech, and to construct sentence, we need pronouns. Not compulsorily, but uh, you can see in many sentences, maximum sentences, we use pronouns. Clear? And let us know then what is actually pronoun. वेरी सिंपल, बहुत इजी है इसको समझना, कुछ इसमें रॉकेट साइंस तो नहीं है. ओके रूबी, I told you that we have to finish our syllabus. First we have to finish the chapters which are going to come in half-yearly exam. Yes, Vanshika, what's your doubt, beta? Ask me.
Sir, I can't write chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3.
Okay, so you need notes. Vanshika, you need notes?
No, sir. Sir, I can write chapter 4 in grammar fair copy.
But what about chapter 1, 2, 3?
Sir, after complete chapter 4, I can write 1, 2, 3.
But you're not so good. Do one thing now. Right now, you just point that what you have to write. Clear? In a rough copy, you just write down what notes you have to prepare. Clear? And in fair copy, you start from the first lesson.
Okay, sir.
Now you can start with noun. Okay? Right now, I would suggest that don't use your fair copy, because I will give you few ideas in what way you have to write your notes. So it is better to use rough copy right now. Then you will definitely use your fair copy. Clear? Well, so let us start, my dear students. We have already, it is 10:42. Tanika, yes, Tanika, just a minute. What's your doubt? You should raise your hand. I got you. Yes, Tanika, tell me. You have to unmute yourself, Tanika. I will come to Tani also, but you know, if you
Sir,
do this, then we will not be able to start. What's your doubt, better, Tanika? Be fast.
sir, I have no doubt that sir, my notes are not completed. Since my portal is not working, so now it is opening. So I am taking all the printout of the notes. So, sir, after the exam, I will write in my copy.
Okay, no problem. Okay, very good, Tanika. You should start afterwards. Okay, no problem. Okay, so all of you are ready with your rough copy, I hope, and you have to just point down. मतलब आपको नोट्स में क्या क्या लिखना है वो अभी लिखो, नोट्स बाद में तैयार करना, ठीक है? यस, प्रतीक जैन, एनी प्रॉब्लम? तानी, एनी इशू?
सर 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 कितने चैप्टर आए?
तानी, talk fast.
Sir, please unmute 2 or 3 students to give the answer.
Definitely, I will allow you to unmute yourself. Just a minute. Okay. Okay. So see,
Yes, sir. Sir,
uh,
sir,
English grammar book, that is pronouns, and before that,
sir,
who is there?
sir,
Yes,
Pratik,
Pratik, you should unmute yourself. Sorry, I mean,
sir,
turn on your video.
sir, unmute.
Turn on your video. I can't see you.
Sir, we have read.
I can't see you, beta. Your camera is not working. Okay, listen. All of you have to do one thing, that I'm allowing you to unmute yourself, but keep yourself mute. Okay, when you want to you want to give answer, at that time you have to unmute yourself. Clear? Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
So you are okay. I have allowed you to.
Now we have to mute.
Okay, done.
सर ग्रामर 1, 2, 3 चैप्टर्स के नोट्स पोर्टल में है.
Have you checked? It should be okay.
यस सर.
Okay,
सर तो 1, 2, 3 जो 1, 2, 3 चैप्टर है उनको कॉपी में लिखे हम लोग.
see, you can prepare your notes from the book also. ठीक है, just see how you are going to prepare notes for pronouns in that same way. That same way you can also prepare notes for previous chapters. Clear? See what you have to
Okay.
what you have to write down from this. I mean pronoun. So just get the idea. And I think I have to give you all, otherwise is waiting. See, you use your chat box for giving answer. Clear? Okay. So, what is pronoun? To understand pronoun, let us do some warm up. Okay. So here you can see only 8 questions are there. So the first question is actually what you have to do: choose the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. So three options you can see. And in exam also you will find this type of question. He fell and hurt dash herself, himself, themselves. So what is the right answer? Okay, I have got answer from Deshna Jain. Right answer, Deshna. So be ready with your chat box, dear students, and send your answer. Chirag, right answer, good. Chirag, wrong answer, beta. Chahat, right answer. Adi, you should write the complete answer, beta. Don't like option A, B, C, because again I have to check. So it is better to write the full option. Okay, Arshi. Okay. मान्या बेटा गलत हो गया बेटा. कुशल राइट, वेरी गुड. सोनू रॉन्ग. प्रतीक राइट, गुड. ओके. वंशिका राइट. Manya, now it is your right. Kumar Pal, right. Sonu Bag, wrong. Okay, so the right answer is himself. क्यों himself होगा? क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है? He. अगर she होता तो क्या लगाते हैं? Herself. He है तो हम क्या लगाएंगे? Himself. It is an example of pronoun. So he fell and hurt himself. ठीक है? Right answer is B. When the princess है ना, when the princess stepped out of the lovely carriage, all the people were looking at he, him, her. So which one is the correct option? Yes, Arihant, Vanya, right. Kumar Pal, right. Very good. Okay, so very easy to understand. If just you send the answers. So the right option of second question, that is obviously her, because princess is well, so princess, you know that feminine gender, so obviously हमें वहाँ princess के साथ क्या लगाना है? Her. Next, question number 3. Sam and I went to the mall. Dash had lunch at the new restaurant. They had, we had, or we had. So which one is the right option? Keep sending your answer. I can see. Okay. Yes, obviously it is B. They wrong होगा, me भी wrong होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर दो लोग हैं ना, Sam and I. So obviously we have to use B. Next, प्रियांश. प्रियांश तो नाम से लग रहा है, लड़का ही होगा. प्रियांश, would Dash like to have some tea? Oh, बहुत easy है. Would you like to have some tea? Very easy. Tarun and I are going to the fair. We want to come with them, come with him, or come with us. So which one is the right option for question number 5? Question number 5. Question number 5. Tarun and I are going to the fair. Do you want to come with us, them, or him? So obviously the right answer is us, no doubt. I love my sister. She is very kind to us, kind to Dash, count to me, or kind to I. I love my sister. She is very kind to. देखता हूँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 का आंसर आप क्या दें. कुमार पाल राइट आंसर. तानी राइट आंसर. अरिहंत राइट. आदि बेटा रॉन्ग हो गया. मौली राइट आंसर. चिराग राइट आंसर. वंशिका बेटा क्या भेज रहे हो आप? तो हिंदी में आ रहा है बेटा. वंशिका चेक योर फोन. वंशिका सारदा. तीर्थ राइट आंसर. कुशल रॉन्ग आंसर. प्रतीक राइट आंसर. आदि राइट आंसर. वंशिका अगेन आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स इट नाउ. वंशिका you have to unmute yourself. Just a minute. Where are you? Kushal, you did not listen. What I should do with this boy? Yes, Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Yes.
what? Sir, right answer of 4 is
Right answer of
Sir Danny.
हाँ, question number 4 ना. Priyansh,
Yes, sir.
would you is the right answer. Okay.
Okay.
दिव्यांश,
Sir, fifth.
फिफ्थ का आंसर होगा us. Do you want to come with us? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us continue. And Disha, you don't have book, beta. Disha, turn on your video. Okay, so all of you have got answers. Deshna beta, sit properly beta. Deshna Jain, you are not feeling okay beta? Deshna, unmute yourself. Okay. So see, my dear students, you need not to write these questions in your copy, okay? But what you need to write, now let me tell, let me say. Okay, so from here you have to write down notes. This is definition. Definition of pronoun. So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word which replaces a noun to avoid its unnecessary repetition. Okay? So obviously, so when suppose you are writing an essay on our country, that is India. So if you repeat India is a big country, India is a beautiful country, India has 130 billion people. So if you repeat India, India, India in your essay, so it will literally very awkward and it doesn't sound good. Okay, and language is all about language should be sweet and perfect to listen, to hear. ठीक है, so pronoun इसके बदले में यूज किया जाता है noun के लिए. ठीक है, very easy to understand. So you have to write definition. So you just point out, or you can write what you have to write definition. So you can get it from book, the definition. Then you have to write kinds of pronouns. So my dear students, here you can see there are 8 types of pronoun. Adi beta, right now you have to note down what you have to write in fair copy. So that's why I told you, use your rough copy now, and whatever I am saying कि आपको ये लिखना है, उसी points को आपको fair copy में लिखना है. ठीक है? चिराग, you should download the PDF from portal. जिनके पास बुक नहीं है वो पोर्टल से डाउनलोड कर लो. ठीक है? Okay, so here after definition you have to write kinds of pronouns, and now see, it is up to you how you write the kinds of pronouns. I mean to say, you can use graphical representation. ये जो 8 types के pronoun हैं, तो उन्हें आप एक मस्त चार्ट में बनाओ या जो सनफ्लावर के शेप में बनाओ. ठीक है? So इट इज अप टू यू, आप किस क्रिएटिविटी के साथ इन 8 टाइप्स को लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? गॉट इट? सो यू हैव टू राइट काइंड्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन. सो व्हाट आर द प्रोनाउंस? फर्स्ट इज पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, सेकेंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, थर्ड possessive pronouns, fourth interrogative pronouns, fifth reflexive pronouns, sixth emphatic pronouns, 7 reciprocal pronouns, and the last one is indefinite pronouns. Oh my God, very hard to remember this, but I think for you it is not hard. मतलब आप लोगों के लिए बहुत easy है ये 8 याद रखना. ठीक है, पर्सनल, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, possessive, interrogative, reflexive, emphatic, reciprocal, indefinite. Clear? So write down the kinds of pronoun in a creative way. You can use chart. You can, I mean chart means not chart paper जो हम लोग बुक में देखते हैं ना, बॉक्स बॉक्स में दिया रहता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड चार्ट एक्चुअली. Well, चाहत is, yes चाहत, what's your doubt? Fast.
Sir, what you were saying, chat, can you repeat once again?
See, just I want to show you, just a minute. Just give me 1 minute. Graphical representation. Okay, graphical representation means what? Just let me show you. Okay, I think this will definitely help you. Which one I should just show you? This one. Okay.
Sir, screen is blank.
Yes, just. So, let us see in what way we can. So here you can see one chart, or you can say smart chart. So you can see bubbles. There are 6 bubbles. So you can write the kinds of the pronoun. Okay, in center you make one right pronoun, and उसके बाद उसके साइड में 8 अलग-अलग bubbles बना दो जिसमें अलग-अलग आप प्रोनाउन लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, गॉट इट. सो ये एक टाइप हो गया. आप यू कैन यूज योर ओन आइडिया. ठीक है, ये भी एक अच्छा क्रिएटिव थिंग है ना.
Sir, and we have to send in WhatsApp.
First you prepare the notes, then I will ask for notes. Okay. Well, so let me continue. So all of you have got the idea how to prepare the notes. Okay, many hands are there. I don't know what's the issue. Whatever is your doubt, please send me through chat box. Clear? Okay, so let me continue. So we will learn about all these kinds of pronouns separately. Well, so first, that is personal pronoun. And what is personal pronoun? They refer to a specific person, object, or group of things. So when we say person, so obviously we people come under person. Then object, जैसे आप यहाँ एग्जाम्पल देखते हो, when we talk about any object like pen, book, mouse, keyboard, mobile phone, non-living things, those are considered as object. तो किसी object के लिए हम लोग use करते हैं it, है ना. For object we use it, this, that, those. So these are called personal pronoun. Clear? Okay. Chahat, you should unmute. You should mute yourself actually. Then see the examples. I, we, her, them, us, it, and she. ये सब क्या है? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन का एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है. और यहाँ ही छूट गया है, कोई बात नहीं. ही इज ऑल्सो अ पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. अब पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के अंदर 3 कैटेगरी है. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. So see what you need to write. You just need to write the definition. आप definition को लिख लो कॉपी में. Then you should copy this chart. This chart is very very important and it will help you up to class 12. Not up to the class 12, actually lifelong it will help you. Clear? So this is a chart of personal pronouns with categorized person. Okay, so I hope you know about person, first person, second person, third person. So very nice chart, and let us discuss about this chart. So these all are pronoun. Obviously we know that I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them. These are all pronouns. ठीक है. और ये क्योंकि नाउन पे जगह यूज होता है तो ये सब्जेक्ट भी कहलाएगा. ठीक है. और कुछ ऐसे हैं जो ऑब्जेक्ट भी कहलाएगा. और सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट इज द डूअर ऑफ वर्ब. कोई भी वर्ब जो है उसका डूअर कौन है? उस वर्ब को एग्जीक्यूट कौन करता है? ऑब्वियसली सब्जेक्ट. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई फादर हैज गिफ्टेड मी अ कार. ठीक है. माई फादर हैज गिफ्टेड मी अ कार. सो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट कौन है? फादर, क्योंकि गिफ्ट कौन दिए हैं? फादर दिए हैं. सो फादर इज सब्जेक्ट. और किसको दिए हैं? मी. तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है. सो हु से सवाल करने से जो जवाब आएगा वो सब्जेक्ट, और व्हाट से सवाल करने से जो जवाब आएगा वो ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दिस चार्ट इज वेरी important. So person, there are 3 types of person, first, second and third, and number wise noun या pronoun को singular and plural में बांटा गया है. singular मतलब one, plural मतलब more than one. so singular first person में कौन आएगा? subject I, object क्या आएगा? me. singular second person में you. सिंगुलर थर्ड पर्सन के लिए, लिविंग बीइंग के लिए ही, हिम, शी, हर, एंड नॉन लिविंग के लिए इट. ठीक है. प्लूरल मतलब मोर देन वन. फर्स्ट पर्सन में वी सब्जेक्ट, बट ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या हो जाएगा? अस. सेकेंड पर्सन यू, एंड ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, इसका कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. प्लूरल सेकेंड पर्सन के सब्जेक्ट यू, ऑब्जेक्ट भी क्या होता है? And plural के third person में subject is they and object is them. ठीक है? Clear? So I hope this is clear. So prepare the chart in your copy. Then comes demonstrative pronoun. So demonstrative pronoun, what is called? So you have to write the definition. They help to point at something or someone. ठीक है. That is called demonstrative pronoun. ठीक है. Suppose you want, see what does mean by demonstrate. जब आप किसी भी चीज को point out करते हो, उस चीज के बारे में बताते हो, तो that is called demonstrate. Clear? In this class you can take the example. I am teaching you pronoun. तो actually I am demonstrating. मैं आपको pronoun के बारे में बता रहा हूँ, तो मैं demonstrate कर रहा हूँ. तो जो प्रोनाउन किसी चीज को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन। एग्जांपल बहुत इजी है, दिस दैट दीज दोज। और आप जानते हो दिस और दैट सिंगुलर के लिए यूज होता है, दीज एंड दोज प्लूरल के लिए यूज होता है ना। वेरी सिंपल। Arshi, whatever the problem you can write down in chat box. Arshi Jain. So after writing the definition of demonstrative pronoun, you can write 2 examples at least. ठीक है? यहाँ कुछ points दिया गया है. You can remember it. No need to write. और यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है we use these to point a person or a thing that is near us. बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. Nothing new. That to point at a person or a thing that is far from us. These near के हैं लेकिन plural, those दूर का plural noun और pronoun को Arshi, you should download the PDF if you have book. So no need to download the PDF. If you don't have book, then download the PDF. And what I am saying to write, आपको जो जो पॉइंट मैं लिखने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ उन पॉइंट को आपको लिखना है, ठीक है। तो जिनके पास बुक है वो मार्क कर लो कि ये पॉइंट मुझे लिखना है, और जिसके पास बुक नहीं है दे शुड राइट डाउन। क्लियर आशी? ओके, I think it is clear. Then comes possessive pronoun. So what is possessive pronoun? Possession, you must know what does it mean possession. Possession मतलब ownership, ठीक है। जैसे अभी जो हेडफोन मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ दैट इज माइन, ये मेरा है। इसका मालिक कौन है? मैं। आप लोग जो मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हो या कंप्यूटर यूज कर रहे हो वो आपका है, यू आर द ओनर। तो possessive pronoun क्या रेफर करता है? दे शो ओनरशिप टू समवन और समथिंग, ठीक है। एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं। दिस पेन इज माइन, मेरा है। दिस वन इज योर्स, ये तुम्हारा है। दैट वन इज योर्स, या दिस वन इज योर्स, या दिस बुक इज योर्स, ठीक है। दिस बुक इज योर मत बोल देना, दिस बुक इज योर्स। दिस बाइक इज हर्स, this one is his. So mine, yours, hers, his, these are example of possessive pronoun. Clear? I hope you have got the point of possessive pronoun. Next, you have to write, obviously you have to write the definition and one example at least. Well, here you can see again one more table, and this table is obviously you know what, in previous table we saw this much, है ना। तो I think you can prepare this table only, इसमें पूरा merge हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो don't repeat the table again, you can draw the table only. So here you can see it is very important for you, ठीक है। I का possessive क्या हो जाएगा? Mine, you का yours, he का his, she का hers, it का its, its. But sometimes you may find it then apostrophe s. Actually that is it is, ठीक है। It is yours. तो it is को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके छोटा करके हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? it apostrophe s. बट यहाँ पर इट्स मतलब वो इट्स नहीं, इट इज नहीं होता है, इट्स मतलब इसका, ठीक है। सो प्लूरल में वी का हो जाएगा आर्स, यू का हो जाएगा योर्स, एंड दे का हो जाएगा देयर्स। सो दिस टेबल इज मोर इफेक्टिव, यू शुड प्रिपेयर दिस टेबल। नेक्स्ट कम्स इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस। वेल, इंट्रोगेटिव मतलब सवाल पूछना होता है, तो हम लोग सवाल पूछने के लिए इसका यूज करते हैं who, what, which, whom, how, when, where. So there are many examples of interrogative pronouns. So these pronouns are used to ask questions. Very simple, इसमें कोई confusion नहीं है, ठीक है। So interrogative pronoun is the easiest pronoun to understand. Nimisha, I think you have downloaded the book. In book it is available. I mean, in PDF it is available. Okay, so I'm talking about this chart. You can see it right now. So definitely this chart is going to help you. Okay, it is okay, Nisha. Let us move then. So interrogative pronouns we have got, we have understood. Now emphatic pronoun, ठीक है? यहाँ पर आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो कभी कभी. Emphatic और रिफ्लेक्सिव में हमें बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है, ठीक है? क्योंकि दोनों दिखता एक ही है, ठीक है? सो आप एग्जाम्पल देखो, यहाँ भी लिखा है माई सेल्फ और यहाँ भी लिखा है माई सेल्फ. सो बोथ आर same, but how we can distinguish both of them? Which will help us to distinguish emphatic pronoun and reflexive pronouns. Clear? I think someone has touched on the screen. Don't touch on the screen. Well, so emphatic pronoun क्या है? इधर देख लो. These pronouns are used to give emphasis to a person or thing that is mentioned in the sentence. So definition से शायद कुछ समझ में नहीं आया होगा, तो मैं इसको आपको समझा देता हूँ. ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप देखो दो सेंटेंस है ना यहाँ पर, और दोनों सेंटेंस का मतलब जो है लगभग एक ही आएगा. पहला ऑप्शन, पहला सेंटेंस क्या है? चलो किसी को मौका दिया, 1 मिनट बाकी है बेटा, जल्दी समझ लो. आई बेक द केक माई सेल्फ. और दूसरा सेंटेंस क्या है? आई माई सेल्फ बेक द केक. तो यहाँ पर माई सेल्फ दोनों सेंटेंस में यूज हुआ है, लेकिन पहले सेंटेंस में माई सेल्फ आखिरी में यूज हुआ है, और दूसरे सेंटेंस में माई सेल्फ जो है जस्ट आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट यूज हुआ है. तो यहाँ पर सेकेंड सेंटेंस में आप जोर लगा रहे हो, आई माई सेल्फ बेक द केक, मैं खुद इस केक को बनाया हूँ, है ना, आप ज्यादा प्रेशर दे रहे हो. और पहले वाले सेंटेंस में क्या है? आई बेक द केक माई